guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we're gonna do a mini craft supply haul, so let's get to it. So the first bag we're gonna open is from Hobby Lobby. In this bag I've purchased 4 of these. The printable vinyl from Hobby Lobby is from the Paper Studio. I love this printable vinyl when I'm printing out little stickers and stuff that I make. I love to use this. So I've also from Hobby Lobby, I purchased this 3D Texture Expressions embossing folder. I have an a mini embossing machine that I haven't opened and used yet, so I'm trying to find different embossing folders to use so I can be able to open it up and use it, so I can just stop collecting dust. But here's one of the folders that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Next thing is from Walmart. I love the Elmer's Craft Bond permanent tape runner. I run through a lot of these, so I wanted to purchase a new one of these because I lose the top to them and it messes up the tape when the top is not on there. So I purchased more of these and some refills to go with it. I also purchased these pens, not craft related, but I'm addicted to like office supplies and I love the way these pens write. So all my notes, when I'm writing notes about my orders or anything that new that I'm learning, I love these pens. So, and they come in cute colors. So that's from Walmart. The next bag is from Michaels. I'm starting to practice balloons. So I got a balloon kit to practice. And this kit is supposed to come with everything that you need to do a balloon garland. So I'm gonna practice this. So I got this. I got a low temp heat gun because I follow this lady who does balloon garlands and she uses the low temp heat gun to glue the mini balloons to the garland instead of using the glue dots. So I purchased this. I bought a trim and score refill because I have this fitted and this needs to be replaced. So I purchased these to replace that. And I bought auto blades for my Silhouette 4. The next bag is Office Depot. I needed to buy more paper. And again, this is what I use to, when I'm doing my chip bags, my Rice Krispie treats, candy bars, cookies, anything that I do, I use this Office Depot brochure and flyer paper. The next thing I can show you is my new office employee. I purchased another Cameo 4. I was a Cricut user in the beginning, but I converted to Silhouette and I love it. So I already have a Cameo 4, and so I just purchased another one. Next, for the Amazon packages, I really forgot half of the stuff that I ordered, so let's see what I got. These are lip balms. I'm gonna wrap these lip balms, so I'm gonna start providing custom lip balms. This one, I purchased more embossing folders. These are kind of small, but like I said, I have the mini one. This is a diamond shaped one. This is just some circles, like some little dots. I don't know if you can see that. And this one is hearts. purchased these from Amazon as well. This one here is for dark color. They got it all stuck together. This is the 8.5 by 11 for dark t-shirts, and this one is for the white. So for the white shirts, it's the Jet Pro Soft Stretch, and for the dark color, it's the 3G Jet Opique. And this is what I use for that. And I also got it in the, I think this is the 11 by 17 in the 3G Jet Opique. That's what the back looks like. For dark colors and for the whites. A pack of heat transfer vinyl. It's from the Jan DJ Packaging. But I have 12 colors came in this. And here's the instructions for the vinyl. But I've used them before and I like it. Oh, cardstock. It's the Hamilco brand. 11 by 17 cardstock. I don't remember what pound this was. I want to say it was 80 pounds. I use these a lot when I'm doing big centerpieces. So I ordered the 11 by 17 black cardstocks. And I also bought some 12 by 12 cardstock. This is 100 pound cardstock, 12 by 12 white. And I bought 2 packs of those as well. In here, I bought some 12 by 12 cutting mats from Nakapa. I love these mats. They're more sturdier than the mats that come with the Silhouette. I don't use the Silhouette brand because they're too flimsy, but these are very sturdy, and it's Nakapa. And it's 3 of these in here, and it's this is the light grip one. So I bought more of these, and they were super cheap. I think they was like $9.99 for a pack of 3. Can't go wrong with that. This one, oh, this is vinyl, permanent vinyl. I bought a pack of it. Don't remember what company it's from, but I saw, you know, a pack on Amazon while I was just late night ordering. It's pretty nice looking. I'm gonna see what it do. It's my first time ordering some 651 vinyl off Amazon, so I'm gonna see what it do. But it's quite a few colors in here. I want to say it's like 70 different colors in here. It might be more. I don't know. I got more permanent vinyl, and I use these for glasses, when I'm making baskets, or when I'm labeling anything that I don't want it to come off. I use this. These are mini sanitizing bottles. I want to start offering this too. So I'm going to customize the label, and I can offer sanitizing bottles as favors now, because with the pandemic going on, everybody wants to keep sanitizer on them. So I want to personalize these and sell them in my shop. So, and these are sticker sheets. I don't even remember ordering these, but don't tell the husband. He swear I just be ordering stuff. But I have sticker paper. It's 100 sheets. And it's full sheet. It says full sheet shipping label. 8.5 by 11, 100 sheets. I do a lot of local orders, so I wanted to find cute ways of packaging local orders and when people pick up their orders. So I ordered a pack of white bags. Now I know what the labels were for. I bought white bags in different sizes. It came in a bundle pack, so I think it's like 25 of each size. So I have these, and I'm going to use the labels that I got, and I'm going to put my logo and my social media handles information on here, so when they pick it up, it'll have my contact information on the bags, and I got it in different sizes. These are for when I'm creating my items and I'm getting ready to post my pictures. I bought little acrylic stands to, you know, hold my chip bags, hold my candy bars. This one is a T-bar necklace and bracelet stand jewelry holder. I got this because I'm going to make some custom Hershey bar purses. So I want to be able to hang the purses on here to take pictures to post on my Facebook and Instagram. You know, I want to look professional as possible, so I'm looking at different things to buy to save when I'm setting up for my photos. So it will look something like this. I don't know if you can see it, but this is the base. My husband's gonna put all this stuff together for me. That's the plastic in there, but that's the T-bar. In this bag, let's see. These are more acrylic stands. I thought they were bigger than this, but they look bigger on Amazon photos. Oh, and this little film can come off in the acrylic to prop stuff on here when you're taking your pictures as well. So that's what these are for. And it's 6 of them, and they're different sizes. So 2 of these sizes. They look way bigger on Amazon, y'all. I didn't know they was gonna be this big. And 2 of these sizes, and 2 of the smaller sizes. But we're gonna be creative in using those. So that's that. Another thing for my product pictures. These are Mesha gift box. They're 6x6x4 to make custom boxes for parties and stuff. So I ordered some of these. I have another size, but they were kind of bigger than what I wanted them for. I'm still gonna use them. I just don't know what I'm gonna use them for. Maybe make like a favor box package, like, you know, you can customize that and add your little treats in there. It's big, or I could probably use the bigger sizes for bridesmaid boxes, but these are for party favors as well. I'm gonna customize these and take pictures of those. Then this is a table balloon arch. It's a 12-foot table balloon arch set. Because again, like I said, I want to get into balloon garland. So I purchased this because I want to get into the balloon garlands as well as event decorating, to decorate tables and all that. So I'm going to try and see if this holds up and if it works good, and start promoting this as well in my business. Oh, one more thing. I got from. So guys, that's the end of this haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please turn on that post notification bell to get notified when I upload another video. And again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.